guys, welcome back to this week's video, and in today's vlog we are going to be doing fixing up slime. So here I have Aubrey, Adeline, and Campbell. You've probably seen this one before a lot, and maybe them twice or once. And yeah, so let's get started. I have this slime and it's a butter slime, and Aubrey has this slime and it's also a butter slime, but she's going to be playing with her soap slime. And Campbell has this slime, and it's a foam slime with glitter, and it's light blue. This one is a light blue color, and it has dark blue sparkles, and it's really nice, and it's just a regular butter slime. And we also, in the corner over here, we have borax. So if it's too sticky, kind of to me, then you can add a tiny bit of activator. But if it's so sticky that it's kind of melting, maybe you should add some more. So yeah. So let's go down to satisfying moment number 1. So first we have my slime, and then this is Aubrey's slime, and she's going to be poking it and making bubbles with it. So let's get started. That was Aubrey's satisfying moment. Now let's move on to my satisfying moment. Okay. That was my satisfying moment. Let's move on to Adeline's. That was Adeline's thumbs up. Now let's move on to Campbell's. Kind of have to move a little bit, but Mom, I'm going to classes. This one kind of gets a little glitter everywhere, but this was Campbell's satisfying moment. Now, I told you guys I would give you a little backyard tour because I promised you it, because I promised it on my first video, and it is my 3rd. So I just to go give you a back tour. So, come on. I promised them. No, I promised. Okay, fine. Yeah. We can just let it sit. So here is, I'm giving you guys a back tour. So here's the door, and we have, here we have a rug to brush off anything. Then here's our swimsuit rack where I hang up any wet swimsuits. But then we have this cool little thing that my brother made in engineering at school. Then we have goggles and other supplies for school. And then we have roller skates and I think some monster trucks, and it's garbage. And yeah, and this is wait, hold on. No, I want us all three up there. But I need something to hold it. We'll get something. What are you guys doing? Really cool, by the way. That was our tour of our backyard and showing you guys our slime, but we just need to move on to the last part of our backyard. So here we have a fireplace of where I can roast marshmallows and everything, and over here we have some chairs and a rock, then some plants and a rock. Then we have this fake grass right here and a thing to get to my new trampoline. First, everybody's gonna do one trick, starting with Campbell. A front handspring. Layout. Hold on. Shh. And then Adeline's trick, front aerial. Aubrey's trick, front tuck, and she just needs to hold the camera for me. A gainer, 2 gainers, 3 gainers. And then a back tuck. Do back tuck. I know how to do that. Okay, so guys, that was our video, and we're just gonna finish you off with